And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
And we have our own heat wave in the forecast, but didn't start today. You look at the temperatures right now, you see a lot of 70s, and 70s are kind of cool for this time of year. But when you go outside, it feels like a sauna right there. I think I lost 5 pounds walking from the parking lot to the door here because it is so humid outside, and it's that gross air mass that's going to stay in place for much of the week. The difference, though, is we're going to take those 70s we're going to bring them all the way up into the 90s, well into the 90s as well. So after 70s today, I got 94 Tuesday, 96 Wednesday, 92 Thursday, mid-90s Friday and Saturday. What makes this 90-degree heat so unique for our area, it's the number of consecutive days that we could go 90 plus. When you go back to like when records were kept, which is in the early 1900s, we've only had 7 consecutive 90-degree days 4 times and 6 consecutive days 5 times. That's not very many. So when you start to string together not just 1, 2, 3, but 5, 6, 7 days of 90 plus, you're like in uncharted area. And then you factor in these dew points that are like in the 70s right now, and that makes it oppressive. So as we go into the rest of the week, after some storms tonight that I'm going to talk about on the radar here in a moment, it is all about the heat. It's all about the humidity, not just for tomorrow, but right through the weekend and into early next week. We've been so good at dodging and weaving 90-degree temperatures and extended heat and humidity. It's been like we've had like a light summer so far. That's all going to change like that this week, and that's all anyone's going to be talking about is the heat and humidity. Let's talk about some rain first, though. It rained. Oh, my goodness. Yes, it finally rained. Just about everybody getting some rain today, and that's good because we could use it. Warm front lifting north, cold front to the west. Severe thunderstorm watch for areas in western Connecticut and south and west towards areas like D.C. where there's some very violent storms taking place, including a tornado warning north of Washington, D.C. The watch does not include Rhode Island and southeastern Mass, and I do think that we'll probably avoid the majority of severe weather as we go into the evening. What I mean by that is, yes, could we have some thunderstorms? Yes, could we have some rain? Yes, we can have all that. But if we can get the rain and miss out on the severe weather, which I think we will, it's not a bad combination. So right now what we have is we have these waves of rain moving southwest to northeast. And just about everybody's had some rain, including some heavier rain right now in and around Providence and towards like Woonsocket, some heavier rain for you. This is all moving north and east into southeastern Mass. There's another little pocket of rain right here in Connecticut. Nothing severe here. This is just rain moving north and east. That's the good stuff. We need the rain. Off to the south and west, though, into Long Island, into western portions of, we'll say southwestern portions of Connecticut, some stronger storms. And it's that area that we'll be watching for the next couple of hours as it moves closer to our area. Keep the storm threat in the forecast through about 8 p.m. and then just partly cloudy skies after that and very warm. Now we start the heat and humidity for tomorrow. 90s everywhere except the Rhode Island beaches. For the next 5 to 7 days, you will be like 83 to 88. And likely not hit 90 air temperature, but you'll feel over 90. Southeastern Mass, it's a majority of 90-degree temperatures. Heat values will be close to 100 as we go into tomorrow and for the rest of the week. So there's that line of showers and storms, one out. One more little push has to come through for the evening. Everybody gets some rain. We need it. And then finally the rain backs off, and by morning we pop sunshine. It gets hot tomorrow away from the Rhode Island beaches, humid for everybody, and we do it again on Wednesday. Any kind of relief could be maybe a spot shower, but they look to stay north, and therefore it's all about a lot of sweating and staying safe from the excessive heat and humidity. It's a heat wave, and only need 3 days in a row to do it. We got 6 of them there in the forecast for you through Sunday. Tiffany.
We really know how to do it here in Rhode Island.
That's right. Do it in style.
Still to come on ABC 6 News.